Here's another great RV from America's #1 family-operated RV dealer, Campers Inn RV, the RVer's trusted resource.
Hi, I'm Haley, and today I'm going to show you the Vibe by Forest River model number 26RB. Let's go take a look.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below this screen. But the best way to view this beautiful RV is to put yourself in it. Stop by your local Campers Inn RV dealership today to see and feel the difference when you're treated like family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. Just like a home, there are many variations of every RV made. Features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications may be different from one RV to the next. So, it's important to contact a Campers Inn RV team member for actual details about this floor plan. While watching this video, take note of the innovative ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage and practicality. But there are many features not shown, and we also do not have the time to show all of them in this short video. You really have to come in and see this RV to fully appreciate all that this unit has to offer.
And what I enjoy is when that customer leaves here with that excitement and that enthusiasm about what's in store for them. Hitting the open road and spending quality time with family and seeing things. And to me, you know, when they leave here for that adventure, that's what warms my heart. That's what gives me a lot of pride in what we do as a company.